humans are using more and replenishing less of the Earth's resources than ever. A record 100 billion tons of materials are being extracted from the Earth each year. About 40% of these materials go into construction, and 21% go into food production. And these two industries create millions and millions of tons of waste. We tear down a house to build a new one. We throw the old one away. A hailstorm damages crops. We throw them away. But in nature, there is no such thing as waste. Natural systems have evolved so that materials are reused over and over again in a continual loop. Nature's closed-loop and waste-free system is at the heart of the philosophy behind Biome, a team that aims to produce materials that help us avoid all this waste. The team at Biome first identified one of the construction industry's most problematic materials, insulation. They wanted to know if they could create an alternative product and reduce or eliminate waste at the same time. Well, it turns out that fungi, nature's master recyclers, provided an answer. Mycelium, the root structure of a fungus, grows into extensive networks in the soil beneath forests and fields, decomposing all of the waste. Biome is now growing mycelium into insulation panels that can be used in homes and buildings. They are developing their own strains of mycelium using a non-intrusive and non-GMO process that mimics nature's evolution, but in a lab environment. Some strains improve a material's fire resistance, while others can be made to consume different types of waste. In nature, when a plant or animal dies, or a branch or a fruit drops to the ground, it is the fungi's role to break them down so they can be repurposed. Amazingly, fungi can also be trained to break down materials not found in nature. And Biome is developing mycelium that can consume plastics like polyurethane and polyethylene while growing into new insulation products. The process to create mycelium insulation uses very little energy, all while sequestering carbon and recirculating would-be waste back into the process. Rather than attempt to find a solution to a singular challenge, the team at Biome has mimicked nature's nutrient cycles to address climate change, resource depletion, and waste all at the same time, helping us cut fewer trees, emit less CO2, and send less to the landfill, and perhaps, one day, eliminate the concept of waste altogether.